our scripts, guys. As you can see, it's working perfectly. What's up, people? Happy New Year and welcome to my brand new review. In this review, I will show you how I got Delta Executor for Roblox absolutely free, safe and online, guys. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website called apploop.com, then type in search Delta Executor and you will find the online tool. Click there, guys, and I will have to enter our user Roblox ID. So if you don't know how to find it, just click here, or let me just show you. So go to your official profile on your browser and just copy your profile link. Okay, it's super easy. Let's get back to our tool. Then you have paste button and automatically you will get your Roblox user ID. So let me click continue, guys, and let's see the next step. Perfect, user found. So the next step is to select this on button and select script that you want to add to your account, guys. I will select these all scripts so we can test if it actually works. So guys, let me click continue and let's see the next step. So if you want to follow the latest tutorial for Delta Executor, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I record more of these and review more websites. For now, this Apploop is an amazing website for this. AP connected, nice, guys. Just go down and click I'm not a robot to verify yourself. Perfect, guys, and now we're on the manual verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here, guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questionnaire. It's your choice. Just click here on free, click go, and it will start downloading from the official publisher of the app or download it. Complete the task. Below each task you have a description what you have to do. So guys, I will download Travel Town and I will download Underdog Fantasy, so I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay, guys, I have just completed this task and this task, and I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along these redirecting tags, guys. I'm waiting about 1 minute, so if you have this message, guys, you're on the right way. So let's wait together and let's see. Verification successful. Thanks for passing the board check. Delta Executor is important to your account, guys. We have user ID, we have key. So let me test this. Let me open the game and let's see, does it actually works? Let's see, guys. Okay, so let me play this Blox Verge. Okay. Okay, and guys, I'm now in the game. As you can see, we have this panel. So thank you for using Delta. We have this message. So let me click here. Up here is all our scripts, guys. As you can see, it's working perfectly. Just click execute and enjoying the game. So that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.